The what if affirmation. What if? What if? What if? What if? What if? I love it. It's an excellent tool to use when doubt takes hold of you. And it does. It always does. I've been sharing in previous videos the importance that belief and feelings are in the manifestation process. But if you are stuck in fear or doubt, just ask yourself, what if? What if things are not as they appear to be? What if, in reality, they're as anxious to come and return to the relationship as I am to get my ex back? Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today on Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been created exclusively for you to assist you in navigating through any relationship issues. Now, we know that to successfully manifest requires to actually believe and embody that which we are affirming and find evidence within that they are true, even if our reality doesn't reflect it in the now, in the here. So what can we do to assist us in being able to create a reality from a doubt? What if is such an amazing affirmation to do so. So let's discuss the what if. Number one, the law of attraction teaches us that in order to manifest, we must believe that what we desire is ours. When we apply what if to something we feel doubtful about, this is important, we are implying that we believe in the possibility of it becoming a reality. That is very powerful because when we feel that there's a possibility, it encourages us. Our energy frequencies goes up. So that belief alone allows our energy frequency to attract the potential that we are looking for. And number two, what ifs lowers your mind resistance of the affirmation in question. How many times do you find yourself saying, well, it's not going to happen? Nope, it's there's just no way. I really burned too many bridges. It's just not happening. The infamous, I know them so well, Abby, they are so stubborn. And this has probably nothing to do with the what ifs, but I'm going to interject it anyways. We always think that we know them so well, but yet we never realized that they were going to break up with us. We don't know them. Sometimes we don't even know ourselves that well. So please, it's so important that we lower our resistance to whatever affirmation we are exploring. This allows for the non-physical energy to transform into the physical energy. What ifs allows the non-physical energy frequency, when we mentioned an affirmation, to transform into a physical energy. When we create that physical energy, we are also creating a physical existence. So when you begin living with an as if everything you want is happening, your energy frequency is ripe to attract that which you desire. I, for one, love using what if, especially when things feel challenging. I'm not saying when they are challenging, when they feel challenging. What if was implemented? And every time you reach for a thought that makes you feel better, you begin to achieve your purpose. Try it. I mean, you have absolutely nothing to lose. When you think about the fact that, wow, they haven't reached out to you in a month, 2 months, we start getting worried. The fear creeps in. There was someone else. They met someone else. That other person is perfect. That other person is exactly what they've dreamed about. If we can substitute this negative thinking process to, what if they're like sitting by the phone hoping that I reach out? What if they are anxious to reconnect? You will start noticing immediately how your mind frame mindset changes and you start releasing the positive energy frequency that we truly need to manifest successfully. I invite you to book a coaching session with me. I love to use the what if in my sessions, specifically when we are exploring the law of attraction, because it makes a lot of sense for those of us that are a little bit more doubtful than others. It creates a potential of the reality that we're looking to acquire. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and leave any comments regarding this or any other videos, and I will respond to them in the order that we have received them. Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, myself, the rest of the team, we are all here to assist you in any way we can, letting you and reminding you know that you are not alone. I invite you once again to book a session with me. Let's explore how the law of attraction can maximize your chances of reattracting your ex back. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.